Kongres mobilnosti v Barceloni, prizorišče, kjer telefonski velikani predstavljajo novitete, kakršna je recimo tak poklopen telefon, ki v bistvu hoče biti tablica. A tako kot lasvegaški sejem zabavne elektronike, tudi barcelonska predstava zanima vse več avtomobilistov. Tokrat je tu posredno nastopil Porsche, odprl je natečaj, s katerim išče partnere, ki bi ga najbolje digitaliziral. Na Mercedes-Benz je sem poslal brkatega Zečeja, da je pripravil predavanje, med avtomobilisti pa so bile seveda najbolj vidni domačini. Katalonski oziroma španski Seat, a tudi ta je predstavil vozilce, ki je avto samo na pol.
Seat Minimo is the perfect vehicle for urban share mobility, narrow and agile as a motorbike and safe and comfortable as a normal car. It reduces the operation cost for car sharing operators up to 50% compared to a normal electric vehicle. It has solutions like the battery swap system, where you are able to fully recharge your vehicle in a few minutes instead of hours by bringing the car into a hub and bringing it back.
Električne avtomobile z izmenljivimi baterijami je pred leti neuspešno predstavljalo podjetje Better Place. Toda Seat ni še en osel, ki gre na led.
Our battery swap system is different from what it goes done by Better Place. It's replicating the model that actually the motor sharing operators are already doing in the motorbike world. So basically it's not swapping the whole battery, but single modules. Every module is 14 kilograms weight. And then the thing is when you are doing car sharing in a free float mode, so you are able to park wherever you want in the city, and it's fully electric. Yeah, you have the problem that when the battery is empty, you need someone that picks up the car, goes to recharging hub, recharges the car, brings it back to where the demand is. And this is a process that is some hours. The car is then not available for the customers. In our case, same as motor sharing, you have someone with a van full of modules that goes directly to where the car park is, and then in just 4 minutes you replace the 4 batteries. The vehicle is ready for the next customer. The range it will be over 100 kilometers. Our aim is that the operators they don't need to do more than 1 battery swap per day.
Seveda pri tem malem Seatu ne moremo mimo primerjave s Twizyjem.
The only thing that we share with the Renault Twizy is the 1+1 configuration, so driver and passenger behind, which is at the end the only possible configuration if you want to do a vehicle that is as narrow as possible with low footprint. So there's no more magic behind.
Seat je torej tista znamka družine Volkswagen, ki je dobila nalogo, da družbo pretransformira v ponudnika mobilnosti prihodnosti. Zakaj? Zato, ker je doma v Barceloni. In Barcelona je mesto, ki se vse bolj oblikuje v Silicijevo dolino Evrope.
We have been appointed by the Volkswagen Group as leaders for the whole micro-mobility strategy. So because we are the brand with headquarters next to Barcelona, so a big city, but also a city that is quite front runner on smart mobility, and also with a huge cultural heritage also on the kind of motorbike and scooter use. So taking all these factors and having a good relationship with the city council and all the local stakeholders for many years, it's a great environment to think on this kind of new mobility solutions, both on the hardware side, but also on the service side.